Stop right there. If you're about to upload your next YouTube video and you think you can relax afterward, think again. Most creators kill their YouTube channel just after hitting that upload button and they don't even realize it. So if you are still making this deadly mistake, you are wasting your time and you deserve to stay stuck forever. Number 1, refreshing your video every 5 seconds. You are already losing, let me be real with you. If you are sitting there refreshing your own video obsessively, waiting for that view count to magically explode, you've already lost the battle before it even started. And that's not hustle, that's an addiction to validation, a crippling weakness, period. Creators who obsess with early views are emotional junkies. Let me explain to you. They get high on teeny numbers, then crash into despair when nothing happens. The YouTube algorithm doesn't care about your panic attack. It doesn't reward your neediness. So if you cannot handle the silence and the slow grind, quit now and save yourself years of pain and wasted effort. Number 2, sharing your video with your family and friends. You are suicide bombing your channel. Yeah, you heard me. That well-meaning click from your mom who watches 5 seconds of your video before scrolling off, that's a death sentence for your YouTube video. You guys to know that the new version of the YouTube algorithm is very ruthless. It tracks every single second that people spend on a video. So if your earliest viewer bail in seconds, YouTube just says this is trash content, so bury it. So stop asking your friend, your family, people who you don't know to watch your video out of pity. Those fake views are poison and they kill your chances of being recommended. So if you want your YouTube channel to die quickly, keep pushing into people who don't care. Number 3, buying views and subscribers. Just don't let me tell you that you are an idiot wasting money and buying subscribers. If you think buying subscribers is a hack, you are a fool. Plain and simple. The YouTube algorithm is smarter than you think. It can smell fake accounts from miles away. So when you buy views, subscribers from bots or random people, YouTube knows it immediately and punish you hard. And let me tell you, your chances for not being banned is 20%. So stop wasting money on scams. Real creators grow slowly but sustainably. No shortcuts, no magic, no tricks. Number 4, deleting videos early. I really love this one. This is the move of the creator, not a creator. Here's the truth no one wants to say. If you delete a video or put them on private just because they didn't perform well, you are a loser. Creators who win are the ones who can stomach failure, ignore instant gratification, and stay consistent. If you can't, don't even try. You only need to know that some video takes months to explode and some never get big but quietly earning money for years and years. So deleting a video is like burning your bridges. It shows zero patience and zero grit. Number 5, obsessing over your analytics every hour. Right now, let's talk. You are driving yourself crazy by checking your analytics every hour. Bro, let me be real with you. You are actually poisoning your mindset. The right mindset you need to know to succeed on YouTube, you are poisoning yourself. Early data is a lie. You guys to know that. The early data when you start a YouTube channel is a lie. It doesn't mean a damn thing. But watching those numbers bounce will crush your motivation and will make you quit before you even start. YouTube is a long game. So stop acting like a gambler waiting for a quick jackpot. Number 6, ignoring the first 24 hours. You are throwing your video in a trash. Let me be real. Here's the ugly truth. YouTube doesn't care about your video after upload if you just sit there and do nothing. If you don't fight to get attention in the first day by promoting, engaging, and forcing the algorithm, your video is dead. Waiting for views organically without any action is the lazy way to fail. So if you want to be invisible, relax and watch your video growth. Now you might be asking me, but what to do after posting your video? Should I promote my video? Where should I promote my video? This one will be for another video. But here in this video, I showed you 8 dangerous places where you should never dare. I said what? You should never dare to promote your YouTube videos. If you dare, you might face the consequences, and I'm telling you. So watch that video after watching this video is very important. Number 7, using safe generic titles and thumbnails. If you are doing this, you are choosing to be invisible yourself. Yeah, that's what people tell you. Generate perfect title, perfect thumbnail. You're wasting time. If your thumbnail looks like everyone else, your title is bland and safe. Oh, let me tell you right now, congratulations. You just signed for 0 views, 0 clicks, and 0 nothing. YouTube is a ruthless battlefield, and boring means instant death. So only the bold, the weird, and the unapologetic get clicks. So playing it safe is playing to lose. Period. Number 8, trying to please everyone. You are nothing to anyone. The biggest loser mistake is trying to make videos for everyone. If you don't choose a niche, a targeted audience, a specific audience to serve with a laser focus, let me tell you, you are watering down your content into nothing. YouTube algorithm loves niche creators who speak to a hungry, targeted crowd. So if you are too scared to take sides or offend, then let me tell you that your channel is doomed to be forgettable. Simple. So if you are still doing any of this, it's no wonder why you are stuck, right? This YouTube platform is not for the weak. This is very important to know. So keep making this mistake to stay stuck and invisible forever. Now for those who are done being weak, comment below "I'm done being weak." If you are ready to stop killing your channel and start winning, subscribe and activate the notification bell is very important, and you have all the real truth no one has the courage to tell you. And I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye. It was Joshua. Peace out.